Are you looking for an obstacle avoiding robotics car? Then here your search ends. Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make obstacle avoiding robotics cars. So for hardware you need Arduino, L293 motor driver, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, wheels, 4 wheels and 4 gear motor, battery. So this is the hardware requirement. Now let us solder 2 wires positive negative to our motor. Likewise solder all 4 motors. See, this one is I have done. Now I am taking here metal shield. As you can already see that some holes are already done, drilled on it. So I am with the glue gun, I am sticking 4 motors on the back side of metal shield like this. Now I am taking this positive negative 2 wires through the hole to the front side of the metal like this. Now I will fix 4 wheels to 4 gear motor. So our base is ready with motor and wheels. See, this way fix this. You can fix the wheels later also, but I am doing in beginning only. Now we have to stick the Arduino. As I have told you that some already holes are through it, metal body. So I am just fixing through screwdriver. Arduino is done. It's fixed very perfectly in the middle of the metal chase. Now this one is L293 motor driver. So these are pin to pin compatible, as you know. So just tack on Arduino. So now you have to connect motor wires to L293 driver module. So 4 motors, 8 wires will be there likewise. So I have done with screw tightening this 4 wires of motor. So now we have to connect servo motor. We'll fix over here. So friends, after fixing servo motor, I will fix the sensor holder on the top of servo motor like this. It has been tight, good. Now I will fix the ultrasonic sensor to this sensor holder. For fixing ultrasonic sensor, I will use here super glue. So fixing is done, as you can see. Now I will connect the servo motor wires to this stack, Arduino stack and L293D stack. Now we'll connect ultrasonic sensors 4 wire positive trigger echo and ground to positive to 5 volt, ground to ground, trigger to A0, echo to A1, like this way. So like we have connected all our peripherals to Arduino, and we have connected the battery holder. I have put battery also inside. Now it's time to stick. So battery holder is stick with the screwdriver like this. So as you can see, this positive and negative only remaining. So I'm connecting positive and negative of battery to our motor shield. Arduino and motor shield power pins are compatible. So friends, like this our hardware is ready. Now I will download the program. I will open the Arduino IDE. I have already connected a USB cable. It's opening. This program is opening. Of course you have to select board, port through which you are going to program. USB port you have to select. Now compile and fetch the code. Upload onto Arduino. It's done. It's a testing time. So friends, for a testing purpose, we have placed some obstacles and after that we have put our project in between this. So now it's testing time. Let's see how it performs. As you can see that it is detecting obstacle and turn left. See this detects obstacle till some distance, so it is not collide with obstacle. So friends, if you like my project, then do subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned for more DIY robotics project.